Yo, what's going on, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. And today we gonna be talking about how to make a motherfucking a mock-up for your clothing brand, man. And this is totally free. This shit is absolutely like $0, and this is just one of the methods you can do. When I'm in school and shit, sometimes I hop on this shit and I might just, you know what I'm saying, uh, try to give me some shit to do and shit like that. So yeah, man, let's just get straight into it. All right, so first things first. All right, first thing you gonna do is you gonna go to motherfucking whatever internet browser you use, my nigga. I use Google Explorer or fucking just Google Chrome or whatever. Shit don't matter for real. It don't matter, my nigga. You gonna go to the web and you gonna type in whatever you need specifically. For me, I'm gonna just type in t-shirt template. T-shirt templates. I don't know why my caps lock is on, my nigga. But fuck it. You gonna type in t-shirt template, PNG, t-shirt template. It don't matter. They all the same shit. You gonna want to look for one with a front and back, cause you know, with front and back, it's like you can put designs on the front and back. Common sense. Come on, use your brain, my nigga. So you gonna keep this right here. All right, you gonna open up a brand new tab and you gonna type in something called Photo P. All right, Photo P is exactly the same as Photoshop. They got all the exact same shit, bro. It's just that this is free. So if you can't afford Photoshop cause you a broke guy, nigga, you feel me? It's okay, my nigga. We got something for you. We got Photo P. And you know what I'm saying? I ain't even just gonna call y'all broke ass niggas, cause you know what I'm saying? There was a point in time I had to use this too. So I ain't even mad at you, bro. I ain't mad at you. But so we here, click new project. It don't really matter what size the fucking canvas is. If you care about it, you know, go ahead and mess with it. Me personally, I don't care, so I'm not gonna, you feel me, I'm not gonna mess with it. But like, we gonna drag the picture that you got from the web, we gonna bring it over here. You know what I'm saying? It's there. It's right there. Alright, so boom, now that we got that right there, we can go to the top left. We can click on file. You should have your logo files loaded up. If not, come on, bro. Load your files onto your computer, my nigga, so you can use it for stuff like this. Come on, be smart, bro. Be smart. So what we gonna do is we gonna get our fallen star. You gonna pick this up, drag this motherfucker over here. Oh fuck, I fucked up. All right, you gonna pick it up, drag that motherfucker over there. Boom. Come over here with it. Put it right there. Scale it down, cause you know you don't want that motherfucker that big, bro. Let's be real. You know you don't want it that big. You can scale it down to what you want it to be, so that it'll fit the shirt the way you want it to fit. All right. You can put it anywhere. It don't matter. Wherever you want to put your logo at, make sure you let the manufacturer that's where the fuck you want it at. All right. We gonna get another one. We gonna open up, and then we gonna put the equality on the front. You know what I'm saying? Equality logo. Boom, we getting that shit, putting that shit over there. Come on. Alright. And what we gonna do is we gonna scale it down again. Where's transform, scale. We gonna scale it down again. Alright. So boom. Now, if you wanted to, you feel me? You could just send this to a manufacturer or whatever, bro. You can just send this to a manufacturer because this is a mock-up. Just to make sure when you do this, you have your logo files loaded onto your computer. I will, like, if y'all want me to, I can drop a video on that. But just make sure you got your logos loaded on your computer because they are gonna ask for your logos, my nigga. And if you come with this mock-up and you don't have your logos loaded up, them niggas gonna be asking you like, nigga, how I'm supposed to put the logos on the shirt if you just like they can't just take the logo off the mock-up, bro. You gotta actually send them the logo so that they can put it on the shirt, bro. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, other than that, yeah, you know what I'm saying, I think that's it for this video. Uh if y'all stayed to watch all the way through, I do appreciate y'all. And you know, I never have a problem just, you know what I'm saying, helping y'all out. If y'all got any questions about anything, let me know. And if you got a clothing brand and y'all got some shit and y'all want to send it to me, bro, please do. Listen, bro, I support any brand. I will wear your shit in it is, bro. Like I'll fuck with y'all. Like literally. I need clothes anyway. I'm poor. I'm poor. I'm poor. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's it for this video. If y'all like, go ahead and leave a like. You know what I'm saying? If y'all fuck with it, subscribe. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.